I'm a security engineer and I've never installed Kali, not once. Not on my work machine and not on my laptop. It never held me back. Nothing the pen test, nothing bug bounty, and nothing my day job. Well, I'm not saying Kali is bad or I'm not gonna hate on it, but what I'm gonna say is that the tool is never the thing that makes you good. By the end of the video, you're gonna see what actually matters, and I'm gonna show you the exact setup that I use both as a penetration tester and as a security engineer. Well, Kali is a great OS. It has hundreds of tools on it ready to go. And if you're using it and you're enjoying it, by all means, keep using it. I have nothing against you. Here in this video, I'm just going to share what I've learned over these years. And here's what I noticed, that Kali has lots of tools in it, but all of these years, I've only used a couple of them. I actually didn't need most of them. Not in my pen test, not in my day job. I never used most of them. And every tool that I want to use, I just install them on my Windows, on my Ubuntu, or on my Mac OS. And what I'm going to tell you here is that Kali is not something magical. It's just an operating system that they just installed some tools on it. You can install those tools anywhere you want. Okay, if you want to take one thing from this video, take this. Tools are not knowledge. There are dozens of tools for every job. Dozens. And they all do the same thing, maybe in some different ways. And if you don't know what's happening underneath, none of them will save you. So please, learn the concept first. Then the tool is just a choice. And you will pick the right one because you know what you're actually looking for. And this is what I always say. Start from basics. A good hacker is not someone who has mastered the tool. A hacker is someone who has mastered the fundamentals. And look, I know you might say, I don't know where to start or what are the fundamentals that I'm talking about. And for that, I built an application security roadmap. And it tells you what to learn and in what order. Go check out the video and full text version of them. I've put the links in the description. They are completely free. Go grab them. So what do I actually use? Well, my approach is simple. I just install the tool whenever I need it, and when I'm hacking, most of my time is in just one tool, AppSec. And that's it. Now, it depends on your hacking style. If you're more recon oriented, well, you might want to use more tools. But if you're more focused on the app itself, like me, it's just Perp. One more thing, and I actually recommend this to you a lot. Write your own bash script around your tools. Chain them together, make an alias for the command you always type, make it custom to you. And in this way, you will also learn bash scripting for free. And there's another reason that I don't use Kali. I'm an engineer and my machine has to work for development too. My Docker or my IDE, setting up labs, I do code reviews, so I need an OS that's good at this stuff. And honestly, sometimes you don't even get a choice. Your company hands you a laptop and company policy says what goes on it. That's fine, because it's never about the OS. So here's what I actually use, and that's what I tell a friend. If your normal OS for your daily life, probably Windows, and you can do a lot of your hacking right there. And then you can spin up an Ubuntu VM. That's where your security work, that's clean, separate, and you can do even better and get a VPS. And especially if you do bug bounty, I really recommend the VPS because it has a public IP address, which you will need for some attacks. It's always on. It's really good for that. And if a target blocks your VPS, your home IP stays clean. And also try to only use terminal in the Linux machine. It forces you to stay in the terminal and it teaches you a lot, trust me. So the takeaway here is this. You should stop asking which OS makes you a better hacker. None of them do. None. Learn the concepts, learn the fundamentals, and install the tools whenever you need them. And that's it. If you want a structured path for all of this, the roadmaps, the technical deep dives each week, that's in my newsletter. Links in the description. You can get inside for free. If this video helped, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.